Welcome Pi Network enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into something revolutionary. The Pi Network ecosystem has reached a pivotal moment, and the numbers are telling an incredible story. With over 47 million engaged pioneers worldwide, Pi Network has built something unprecedented in the cryptocurrency space. A truly decentralized ecosystem that puts power back in the hands of everyday people. But what makes Pi Network different from other cryptocurrencies? First, it's mobile-first mining that doesn't drain your battery or data. Second, it's built on genuine community engagement and trust networks. And third, it prioritizes security and user verification above all else. The Pi ecosystem consists of several interconnected components. The Pi browser serves as your gateway to the decentralized web. Pi apps provide real-world utility and commerce opportunities. And Know Your Customer verification ensures network integrity. As of 2024, Pi Network has achieved remarkable milestones, millions of verified pioneers, thousands of active developers, and a growing mainnet that's processing real transactions daily. But here's where things get really interesting. The number 314.159 isn't just random, it's deeply symbolic. It represents the mathematical constant pi, the foundation of circles and infinite possibilities, and it might just represent the future value proposition of Pi Network itself. Traditional cryptocurrencies derive value from speculation and scarcity, but Pi Network is building something fundamentally different. A utility-driven ecosystem where value comes from real-world applications. This is the foundation for understanding Pi's true potential value. The ecosystem is mature, the community is engaged, and we're approaching critical mass for mainstream adoption. But what does this mean for the actual value of Pi? Let's explore the mathematics behind the $314.159 projection. The number 314.159 represents Pi times 100, connecting mathematics to monetary value. This isn't just symbolic, it represents the infinite potential of circular economics. In network theory, circular connections create exponential value growth. Pi Network's economic model is built on controlled supply and increasing utility demand. With 47 million pioneers, even small individual transactions create massive economic activity. If each pioneer spends just 10 Pi monthly, that's 470 million Pi in circulation. Real utility drives real value, and Pi's utility is expanding rapidly. From digital services to physical goods, Pi is becoming a true medium of exchange. Each successful transaction validates the network and increases overall value. Bitcoin reached $60,000 with 100 million users and limited utility. Pi Network has 47 million engaged users with growing real-world applications. The math suggests Pi could achieve significant value with proper market conditions. Pi's mining rate decreases as the network grows, creating natural scarcity. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, Pi's distribution favors individual pioneers over institutions. This creates a more stable and sustainable economic foundation. When Pi reaches major exchanges, initial trading volume could be massive. Pent-up demand from millions of pioneers waiting to trade creates unique market dynamics. Price discovery will be driven by utility demand rather than pure speculation. Businesses are already accepting Pi for goods and services in closed networks. From freelance services to retail purchases, Pi's utility is proven. As more businesses join, the circular economy strengthens and value increases. If Pi captures just 1% of global digital payments, the math supports $314.159. Conservative estimates based on user adoption and transaction volume. The trajectory isn't guaranteed, but the mathematical foundation is solid. Remember, all cryptocurrency valuations involve risk and market uncertainty. Pi's success depends on regulatory compliance and continued development, but the vision of a people-powered digital economy is compelling. Now let's explore how Portal Pi fits into this value equation. Portal Pi represents the next evolution of the Pi Network ecosystem. It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of decentralized interaction. Think of it as the bridge between Pi Network and the broader digital economy. Portal Pi operates on an enhanced blockchain architecture. It enables seamless interaction with other blockchain networks and traditional systems. Advanced smart contracts automate complex transactions and agreements. Portal Pi introduces several groundbreaking features to the ecosystem. First, near-instantaneous transaction processing with minimal fees. Second, native support for multiple cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. And third, AI-powered analytics for optimized trading and investment decisions. Portal Pi makes cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, regardless of technical knowledge. Complex blockchain operations are simplified into intuitive one-click actions. Social features allow pioneers to share strategies and learn from each other. Businesses can integrate Portal Pi for seamless cryptocurrency payments. From online stores to physical retailers, integration is straightforward and secure. This creates a global network where Pi becomes truly useful for daily transactions. Portal Pi includes comprehensive DeFi capabilities built from the ground up. Pioneers can provide liquidity, stake tokens, and earn passive income. Advanced yield farming strategies are automated and optimized for maximum returns. Security is paramount, with multiple layers of protection for user funds. Biometric authentication ensures only authorized users can access accounts. The distributed nature of the network makes it virtually impossible to hack or manipulate. Portal Pi creates new value streams for the entire PI network ecosystem. Transaction fees are distributed back to network participants, creating sustainable economics. Every Portal Pi transaction strengthens the entire network and increases Pi's utility value. Portal Pi is designed to evolve with emerging technologies and user needs. Future updates will include advanced AI features and machine learning optimization. Integration with metaverse platforms opens entirely new economic possibilities. Let's examine the detailed roadmap that makes all of this possible. Pi Network's roadmap is methodical, focusing on sustainable growth over rapid speculation. We're currently in the enclosed mainnet phase, preparing for open network launch. KYC verification continues to ensure network security and regulatory compliance. The next 12 months include several critical milestones for the ecosystem. First, preparation for major cryptocurrency exchange listings. Second, expansion of the developer ecosystem and Pi Apps Marketplace. And third, the beta launch of Portal Pi for selected pioneers. Looking ahead to 3 years, Pi Network aims for mainstream global adoption. Strategic partnerships with major corporations will drive real-world utility. Regulatory approvals in key markets will enable broader financial integration. Cross-border payments and remittances will become major use cases. By 2030, Pi Network envisions a fully decentralized global economy, where Pi serves as a primary medium of exchange for digital services, built on sustainable, environmentally friendly blockchain technology, with governance truly in the hands of the pioneer community. Technical developments include regular blockchain upgrades and optimizations. Scalability solutions will handle millions of transactions per second. Interoperability with other blockchains creates a connected ecosystem. Future-proofing includes quantum-resistant cryptography for long-term security. Education remains central to Pi Network's growth strategy. Regular community events and hackathons drive innovation and engagement. The Ambassador program expands to support pioneers in every region. Developer incentives ensure continuous innovation in the Pi Apps ecosystem. Pi Network's unique position in the cryptocurrency market continues to strengthen. Focus on utility over speculation sets Pi apart from traditional cryptocurrencies. Conservative projections show significant market share potential in digital payments. The journey to $314.159 isn't guaranteed, but the foundation is stronger than ever. Stay engaged, keep mining, and participate in the ecosystem development. Subscribe for more Pi Network updates, and remember, we're building the future together. The portal to Pi's true value is opening. Are you ready?